Hello guys, I'm excited to show you a prototype of an AI-powered marketing tool that I created last week. So this is the landing page, and if I click this button here, it brings me to the sign up page, and let's create a dummy account for testing. So user users 9 at test.com user 9. I'm just giving the same password, user 9. And here you need to give a shop name, basically the shop for which you are going to create your marketing campaigns. So I'm pasting some data here and create the account. So this is the dashboard and this is the chat UI where you can chat with your AI agent. But before doing that, I'm going to show you the shop. This shop is created automatically during our account creation. We pasted this shop name and URL. And if you want to change any data from this shop, for example, the currency, you need to click edit and change it here. Like I'm setting BDT and BST and hit the save button. So it is saved. And now let's go try the AI agent. For example, start with a hello. Can I help with my shop? And AI is thinking, and it will help us to create a campaign. That is good. And you can see here is the chat thread name generated from my first message, and also the thread is displayed here. And let's ask it to create a campaign for us and pasting it here. I need to prepare a marketing campaign targeting young sports enthusiasts for upcoming winter. Let's send it, and the AI is thinking, and it probably will create a marketing campaign for us, but not really. It's saying, please check your store connection. The system couldn't retrieve your store data, reconnect or verify your store integration. Basically, it means you need to connect your store data. Here is the data source, and currently we're allowing these three type of data sources. For example, let's start with Shopify, and we need to give it a Shopify URL like mystore.shopify.com, for example, HTTPS. Maybe for this sportswear BD, right? So let's keep it same, p5.com, like this. And but this is just a test, right? And we can send it gibberish, and it is not real connection in the backend. Instead, I am generating some test data using OpenAI, using OpenAI, and let's wait and let it generate the data. But in real project, this will be just the connection to the actual database or actual server, and the data fetching should happen in the background, and it should not block the UI. But for our test project here, I'm blocking it here until the OpenAI generate actual test data. So let's give it few more seconds. Oh, okay, it's already done, and it generates the Shopify data like this. You can see it open and like this. Okay, so let's connect another one, for example, website analytics, and give it a random gibberish API key for testing. And enable features mean the type of data you can get from this this server, and I'm connecting it. And once disconnected, it should show another entry here for the website analytics. So let's wait for it to complete, and then we'll go forward to create our actual campaign. So yeah, you can see the the data is here, and if I click this disconnect button, the data will go, and if I reconnect, the data will be here again. So basically these data will be sent to the AI agent to generate our campaign. Let's give it another try. We can either chat we can either create a new thread here, or we can continue to our last thread here. So I want to continue here and say the same thing to generate the actual campaign. Hopefully this time it should be able to create a campaign for us. And this is streaming the JSON, and once the JSON streaming is completed, this a nice UI is generated for us to view the data. But if you really want to see the JSON, you can click here, and then you can see the raw JSON data here. So under the hood, there are a couple of AI agents working together. Initially started by a triage agent. That triage agent delegates the task to other specialized agents. For example, this campaign generation agent is one which is really specialized, and it can fetch data from your database, like the data sources, and and these responses, text responses, these were generated by another separate generic chat agent. And this message, like when you do not have enough data or you do not have data connection, that one is also generated by another dumb agent. So there are this is really agentic AI flow. So I think that's all from me today. Thank you guys for watching the video.